In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace audio and add music in Shotcut. By the end, you'll know how to remove the original sound from a clip and drop in a new background track cleanly and confidently. Start by bringing your video onto the timeline. If it's already in your playlist, just drag it down. Otherwise, click Open File, choose your video, and then place it on the timeline so you can edit it. Once the clip is on the timeline, right-click directly on the video clip. From the menu that appears, choose Detach Audio. Shotcut will split the sound from the picture, creating a separate audio track beneath the video. You'll see a waveform appear for the audio that was linked to your clip. Now remove that original audio so your replacement music has room. Click the detached audio segment to select it, then delete it. You can press the delete key or use the on-screen delete option. Make sure only the video remains, with an empty audio space below where the sound used to be. This keeps your timeline tidy and avoids overlapping sound later. Next, it's time to bring in your replacement background audio. If you already have it in the playlist, great. If not, click Open File again and choose your music or audio file. Shotcut will add it to the playlist for quick access. Drag the new audio from the playlist down to the timeline and place it on the audio track where the detached audio was removed. Align the start of the audio with the beginning of the video so they play together from frame 1. To fine-tune your placement and cuts, adjust the timeline zoom. Use the timeline zoom controls to get a closer view. Zooming in gives you more precision when lining up the start point and when trimming. If your audio is longer than your video, trim the excess by grabbing the end of the audio clip and dragging it back until it matches the end of the video. Keep an eye on the playhead and the timeline ruler so you cut exactly where the video ends. If your audio extends past the picture, you'll hear it continue in black, so trimming is important for a clean finish. Press play to preview your edit from the start and scrub through to confirm everything lines up smoothly. Once it looks and sounds right, you're done. That's how to replace audio and add music in Shotcut. If you found this walkthrough helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.